Have you ever wondered, why some people always seem full of energy, rarely get sick, and carry a sense of calm wisdom everywhere they go? Today, on Kênh, Trăm, Tuổi, we'll uncover a secret that has been passed down for generations. A secret found in something as simple as ginger and honey. This isn't just a kitchen ingredient, it's a time-tested natural remedy, a golden elixir for health, balance, and longevity. Ginger soaked in honey, or gung ngâm mật ong, is a traditional Vietnamese remedy loved by countless families. It's made by submerging slices of fresh ginger in pure, natural honey, allowing the two ingredients to blend into a sweet, spicy infusion. Over time, the honey absorbs ginger's warmth, and the ginger releases its healing oils into the honey. The result? A smooth, amber-colored syrup, both delicious and powerful, used to soothe the throat, aid digestion, and strengthen the body from within. It's nature's way of saying, healing doesn't have to be complicated. Now let's learn how to make this golden remedy yourself. Step 1. Choose fresh ginger roots. They should be firm, aromatic, and free of bruises. Wash them carefully, peel off the thin skin and slice them into fine pieces. Step 2. Take a clean, dry glass jar. Layer your ginger slices inside and then pour in pure honey until every slice is fully covered. Step 3. Seal the jar tightly and let it rest in a cool, dark place for at least 12 to 24 hours. During that time, the honey draws out ginger's essence. You'll see the color deepen and the aroma grow stronger. That's how you know it's ready. From here, you've made your own natural tonic, a jar of golden medicine that can last for months. So, how should we use it? It's simple. Take 1 or 2 teaspoons of the mixture every morning on an empty stomach. It wakes up your body, boosts your energy, and helps your digestive system start smoothly. You can also mix it into a cup of warm water, not hot, just warm, to create a soothing tea. Add a few drops of lemon for extra freshness. In cold weather, try taking a spoonful before bed. It calms the throat, eases coughing, and helps you sleep warmly and peacefully. Some people even eat the honey-soaked ginger slices as a natural candy when they feel tired or bloated. Remember, a small daily habit is more powerful than a big occasional effort. Now let's talk about why this simple remedy works so well. First, it strengthens the immune system. Ginger and honey are both rich in antioxidants. Together, they protect your cells, fight bacteria, and keep your body strong. Second, it supports digestion. Ginger helps your stomach process food faster, while honey soothes and balances the stomach lining. If you often feel heavy after eating, this can make a real difference. Third, it relieves colds and sore throats. Feeling that scratchy throat? 1 spoonful of this mixture can clear mucus, open airways, and ease coughing naturally. Fourth, it helps regulate metabolism and weight. Ginger warms the body, increases circulation, and helps you burn energy more efficiently, all without harsh diets or chemicals. Finally, it eases pain and inflammation. Ginger's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce joint stiffness, relieve muscle pain, and can even help with mild arthritis symptoms. Of course, even natural remedies require mindfulness. Too much ginger can cause heartburn or stomach irritation, especially for those with high stomach acid. And remember, honey is not safe for children under 1 year old. If you're taking blood-thinning medication, or if you have diabetes or heart conditions, consult your doctor before using it regularly. Natural doesn't mean harmless. It means powerful in the right amount. The best time to take ginger honey is in the morning, before breakfast, when your body is fresh and receptive. It jumpstarts your metabolism, clears your mind, and gives you gentle energy that lasts all day. In the evening, you can also enjoy a small spoonful before sleep, especially on cold nights, to keep your body warm and your breathing easy. At Kênh, Trăm, Tuổi, we believe that true wisdom lies in harmony between nature and the body, between the old ways and modern understanding. Ginger soaked in honey may seem humble, but within that jar lies the warmth of generations, a connection to our ancestors' simple yet profound wisdom. So next time you see fresh ginger and golden honey at the market, don't just pass them by. Bring them home, create your own little jar of healing, and let it remind you every morning that health doesn't come from what's expensive, it comes from what's alive and pure. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to Health Wisdom Channel. Stay with us to discover more ancient secrets for modern living, because wisdom, just like honey, grows richer with time.